Hey guys, the general manager of Vivo, Li Ziyang, has unveiled salient features of the upcoming Vivo Nex 3 after revealing that this smartphone comes with a 4G/5G dual network as well as NFC. He has now given us a glimpse of what the display of this device looks like. In his recent Vivo post, this smartphone comes with a quote of world-famous architect Anthony Gaudi, that is, the line belongs to human beings and the curve belongs to God. Vivo Nex flagship official immediately forwarded the Vivo post with a caption. All this describe the extreme curvature of the Nex 3 display. It can be seen from the photos that the Vivo Nex 3 adopts a waterfall screen design. This device should significantly improve the screen ratio relative to what we currently have in the market. Moreover, the Vivo Nex 3 will realize a true full screen form with no notch or punch hole. It will probably use a pop-up camera design. The top and bottom bezels of the phone also look exceptionally thin. A 3.5mm audio jack, a speaker and a microphone will also be available. The Vivo Nex 3 also uses a triple rear camera setup. This is the second smartphone from Vivo with this setup. We expect a 12MP main sensor plus 2MP night vision camera plus TOF sensor. In the core configuration, this smartphone will come with a new Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus flagship SoC. It will be the first Vivo model with this processor. So these are all the leaked information and official information received regarding Vivo Nex 3. What do you feel about Vivo Nex 3? Please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.